Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello everybody, let's continue to talk about the euro currency and start as usual from the daily time frame. Well, during the previous trading sessions really nothing really has happened, something really interesting. So market just coiling inside the previous trading session, and we could say that probably yesterday market has formed some kind of inside trading session, since this is just new shallow top above the previous high, but in general all the price action stands inside the previous trading session. That's the sign that market is awaiting something. Well, this could be today's events in Europe. This could be tomorrow release of a gross domestic product in the United States. So I think that on the current week market probably could change the direction for a nearest future, since that is some kind of the indecision, since a lot of doji stands right here. Some kind of inside trading sessions for a very tight range. Market has not triggered this hour pattern. It's just some shallow, some breakout of that high, but now stands also in some tight range. But still market stands above that high. That could give us some possible clue that probably market could show some splash to the upside. Maybe it will be due to volatility. Maybe market just will reach some significant targets and then could retrace right down. We do not know currently what could happen in the nearest future, but in general that price action tells us that market should explode in either direction. This could be some significant move to the upside or to the downside. But as we said yesterday, our significant area of resistance stands right here, 149, 140.50, 141. 30 areas right here. This is daily overbought. Also that is 618 extension from that A, B, C bottom pattern, from that A, B, C, D. Also that is Fibonacci resistance area and some previous lows. So that is in general significant area. Also the monthly pivot resistance 1 stands in that area. Some support area stands below the market. Well, since the market has shown the new high, we could add another reactions, another Fib levels to our chart. So that's first area of confidence support 137.31, 137.66, another confidence support, and lower confidence support that we have already discussed 135.94, 136.44 is right here. But in general, as I said, on the daily time frame there's really nothing new. In fact, it's only one thing that I would like to discuss with you on the 4-hour time frame that's really interesting. That is our butterfly that we have discussed yesterday. Well, that was the yesterday's trading session. Okay. So that you can see that in fact there's really nothing to comment during the previous price actions except this moment that market has created new high. But take a look at that price action. What do we see? Market, in fact, market stands flat in some tight range, so it shows some acceleration and stands in tight range. The red line on the chart is the MACD predictor indicator. It shows us the trend. It's almost the same thing as the MACD. So when the market stands below this red line, the MACD shows bear trend. But take a look at the price action. Price action stands flat and doesn't support the trend shifting. That's kind of price action usually treated as the bullish dynamic pressure. It tells that probably market could show some acceleration to the upside further. This pattern doesn't tell us how strong this move will be and what target could reach the market after the showing of dynamic pressure, but at least it should take out these highs. So that is the minimum target of that potential pattern. And I suspect that at minimum market will reach the 127 extension of the butterfly, 139.75, because that price action doesn't erase the butterfly. We said yesterday that one thing that we do not want to see in terms of the butterfly is the deep retracement to the downside. Well, and you can see that the deep retracement hasn't happened yet. So this butterfly is still working, and it has the chances to be accomplished at least at 127 extension. Well, that's in fact just single thing that we could discuss today, since the recent price action was really shallow. It's just some market is calling around that previous highs of 139.05. I beg your pardon. Well, on the hourly time frame, we could see this the same pattern is a bit more detailed. So we can see that this, in general, MACD shows the downward move on the chart, but price action shows some upward range. Okay, so yesterday we said that probably this could be the butterfly of that swing. It's left wing, this could be the right wing, market will accelerate, but this hasn't happened. This butterfly has been not quite erased, since market hasn't taken this low, but in general this price action is absolutely uncommon for the butterflies. We could say that probably it hardly will be the butterfly. In general, this is just a choppy price action inside some upward channel, and I think that one thing that is worth of our attention is that this dynamic pressure that could lead to some splash to the upside, the nearest term. Maybe it will happen today, maybe it will happen during the gross domestic product release tomorrow, but probably anyway this will happen very soon. What will happen after that, it's very difficult to predict currently. It depends on how market will react around that area. If market will show deep retracement and accelerate to the downside, for instance close below the weekly pivot point, then probably we should be ready for the deeper downward move on the euro currency in the medium term. If market will accelerate further, well, I think that it should reach our resistance area on the daily time frame, and we could count on some respect of that area during the first touch. But I might say that our regression model predicts that the level of gross domestic product on the United States will be really significant, since the consensus forecast is about 2.2%, but we expect that the gross domestic product could be around the 3% or even higher, since there was the significant upward surprise in the non-farm payrolls and retail sales in general in other components that that includes in the gross domestic product calculation. So that's probably could trigger the downward move. But this is some kind of fundamental research, so since this is the technical view on the current picture, and in general current price action tells us that probably market, at least on the some splash in volatility, should reach that area and take out that high. So that is very probable due to this dynamic pressure, bullish dynamic pressure pattern.